Hang on. Trying to pet my cat. Yes, we have 2 cats. Hey, Batcat. Yes, his name is Batcat. Oh, so I know I'm pale. I know that. Okay, I'm trying to pre-record some videos, and I haven't really been uploading that much. It's because I have no ideas for videos, though. No. Yes, he likes to stand on our dryer. Also trying to avoid showing anyone's face. I can't stop it. Stop it! Why is he trying to eat the phone? Yes, I use my phone to record my videos. Hey, Batcat. Oh, come on. Oh, look, it's the other cat. Trying to avoid showing my mom's face here. Oh. Cat butt reveal. Hey! That cat. Try not to eat the phone. I just realized that I recorded this. Crap, I forgot what I was calling. Oh well, I'm recording this not the correct way. I can't reach my cat right now. Hang on. Okay, got him. Just realized that there's going to be black bars when I upload this, if you're on like a TV or phone. Basically, any device there's going to be black bars. So, yay! Hey, look, guys, you finally get to see his face.